Here we come to the elevators. At some certain building I do not know the name of, but these are Fujitec with innovation. Eight. Oh my gosh, look at that indicator. I'm gonna go ahead and switch up the top floor for a different elevator car. This obviously used to be something older before it was modded. Based on the door, these obviously used to be US. That indicator is flipped around, upside down. Oh, we got the service elevator. I love the motor on these elevators. I think I want to get a different one. Let's send this one up. All right, this is the better one. Go down to one. These obviously travel 350 feet a minute. Innovation decorator fixtures. All right, here we are at one. That classic leveling right there. There it goes. And that's it.